Hi, it's Mike.
In Microsoft Word, it's very easy to insert a table of contents. So you just click where you would like the contents to go, click on References, select Table of Contents, and select the one you require. And that will insert a table of contents. You'll notice that it's automatically numbered, so that's now number 1 and this is now number 2, where this was number 1 before. For the contents to work, you need to make sure that you use headers on each of your pages, so that will alert Microsoft Word to know what is a header and what is a new content. And if you make any changes, just click into the table, click update, and then you can either update the page numbers or update the entire table. So any changes you make, you can just go in and update it there.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.